In the cheerful village of Playfulburg, where laughter echoed like bouncing balls, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were getting ready for another day of joyful adventures. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and twinkling eyes, had a fantastic idea. A game called Playfulburg Musical Letters. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus in the heart of Playfulburg, Fluffly wagged his tail and laid out large letters on the ground. The friends were excited, ready for the musical chair's twist that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, transformed the village square into a musical letter haven. The Playfulburg Musical Letters game was ready to start. Each child, with eager smiles, stood on a letter, ready to play when the music began. With a bounce and a twirl, Fluffly declared, "Let the musical letter fun begin." The children, with giggles and grins, started moving around the letters when the music played. Benny, with his quick steps, hopped from B to D as the music echoed through the village square. Zoe, with her twirling prowess, spun from S to L with a delightful laugh. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, wiggled from W to G, and Lila, with her radiant smile, skipped from P to R with enthusiasm. The village square echoed with laughter and the joy of the Playfulburg musical letters. With a playful twirl, Fluffly added a challenge. Now, when the music stops, each one must say a word that starts with the letter they are standing on. The children, with their imaginative spirits, giggled and thought of words that matched their chosen letters. Playfulburg came alive with the sounds of words and laughter, creating a delightful symphony of language. With each round, the friends explored the magic of letters and words while dancing to the lively tunes. Fluffly, the letter maestro, guided them through a world of language and musical play. The Playfulburg Musical Letters game became a magical way for the friends to learn and play together. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Playfulburg Musical Letters game a success. The friends gathered in the center of the village square, sharing stories of their letter-dancing adventure. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the square into a cozy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their musical letters escapade. As the sun set in Playfulburg, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of letters and language. The Playfulburg Musical Letters became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and letter-learning fun. With dreams of more letter-filled adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of playful surprises in the cheerful village of Playfulburg. In the sunny town of Sunnyvale, where laughter danced like sunbeams, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were gearing up for a day of playful escapades. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and twinkling eyes, had a remarkable idea, a game called Sunnyvale Story Stones. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus in the heart of Sunnyvale, Fluffly wagged his tail and spread a comfy blanket on the ground. The friends were excited, ready for the storytelling magic Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, transformed the town square into a haven of smooth painted stones. The Sunnyvale Story Stones game was ready to start. Each child, with eager smiles, sat in a circle on the blanket, ready to weave a tale. With a bounce and a twirl, Fluffly declared, "Let the story stone fun begin!" The children, curious and filled with anticipation, reached into a colourful pile of stones. Each stone had a unique picture: a tree, a star, a cat, a rainbow, and many more. Lila, with her imaginative spark, picked a stone with a smiling sun. Once upon a time in Sunnyvale, there was a happy sun named Sunnybeam. The children, one by one, added stones to the story, creating a whimsical narrative. Benny, with his love for adventure, chose a stone with a treasure chest. Sunnybeam discovered a magical treasure chest filled with endless laughter and joy. Zoe, with her artistic flair, selected a stone with a paintbrush. Sunnybeam painted the town with vibrant colours, turning every frown upside down. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, grabbed a stone with a giggling cloud. The giggling cloud sprinkled laughter rain, making everyone in Sunnyvale laugh and play. The circle of friends continued to add stones, creating a delightful and laughter-filled tale. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Sunnyvale Story Stones game a success. The friends gathered in the centre of the town square, excitedly sharing their whimsical story. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the square into a cozy spot for story time. They sat on the blanket, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their collaborative storytelling adventure. As the sun set in Sunnyvale, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of stories and shared imagination. The Sunnyvale Story Stones became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and storytelling fun. With dreams of more story-filled adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of sunny surprises in the lively town of Sunnyvale.